Jonie Cuyayon for Congressman. A new voice, a new vision of Ifugao. Go for the best. Go for Jonie Cuyayon. Jonie Cuyayon for Congressman. He's a man to lead and for a better change that we deserve. Jonie Cuyayon is the best. Vote Jonie Cuyayon, committed to the community, dedicated to progress. Jonie Cuyayon for Congressman, dedicated to progress and committed to serve and our voice in the Congress. Let us all unite, yes, all unite for Jonie Cuyayon. If you want the best, then vote for the best. Go for Cuyayon, a man of action. Yes, for Jonie Cuyayon, for a better Ifugao. Vote Jonie Cuyayon for Congressman, committed to the community, dedicated to progress. Jonie Cuyayon for Congressman, a new vision for our dear land, a new brand of government, and the change that we need. Vote Jonie Cuyayon, committed to the community, dedicated to progress. Jonie Cuyayon for Congressman, dedicated to progress and committed to serve and our voice in the Congress. Let us all unite, yes, all unite for Jonie Cuyayon. If you want the best, then vote for the best. Go for Cuyayon, a man of action. Yes, for Jonie Cuyayon, for a better Ifugao. Vote Jonie Cuyayon for Congressman, a new voice, a new vision of Ifugao. Go for the best. Go for Jonie Cuyayon. Jonie Cuyayon for Congressman. He's a man to lead and for a better change that we deserve. Jonie Cuyayon is the best.